Hi guys, this is a quick video on how I apply the water decals that I sell in my Etsy store. These can be purchased at pressbylex.com, or you can go to my Etsy store, Press by Lex, and purchase these as well. So we're just going to cut out the one that we want, submerge it in water for 10 to 15 seconds. After it was submerging, I'm going to dry the back of the nail decal off. This just helps it stick better and not slide all over the nail. So I just take a paper towel and dab the back a couple times just to get the excess water off the back of it. After getting the excess water off the back, I'll gently apply the decal onto the nail, just position it where I like, and I will start firmly pressing. I use my thumb and my index finger to firmly press the decals down. And just making sure I hit each corner from the bottom to the top to the side, making sure it has a snug fit on each side. And I find that body heat tends to help the nail decal stick to the nail more. So I'm just pressing to make sure it's fitted where I want it to be. And then I'm going to take the file and knock off the excess. And be gentle, and it peels right off. So just be gentle, filing around each edge or the free edge of the nail to get all the excess off. And again, just firmly pressing to make sure everything is in place. And again, body heat does help the decal stick to the nail better. So I'm just pressing to make sure that it's stuck, no wrinkles or anything is inside of the decal or the design. And voila, here you have it. So what I'm going to do now is just top coat. This is a regular top coat, no wipe. So what I'm going to do is just top coat, make sure I am sealing all of the free edges to cover the whole entire decal on the nail. And then I'm going to pop it in my lamp for 60 seconds. 60 seconds, and here you go. Perfectly decaled nail, easy, simple, and less expensive than most designs that you'll pay for in your local nail shops. And here's the nail decals that I've been working on. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed.